my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I do some gear cutting. I cut a 42 gear for my viewers to use on his Harrison lathe with sort of mixed results. Anyway, I'll let you watch the video. The first thing I want to do is the draw for the little metric micrometer. Now before I do that, I've got some really sad news. My friend Mick, who has the dog Stig, the wirehead pointer, you've often seen Stig jumping in and out of the bucket picking names out. Unfortunately, Stig was involved in an accident and he had to be put to sleep. It's a great shame. Stig was a fantastic dog, a real character, and my friend Mick is absolutely devastated. Anyway, that's what happens. It's a shame, but that's the way it is. Right, so I'm going to take a drawing for the little metric micrometer. And here what I've got is Henning Croft, or I can't pronounce that. Certainly isn't English, that one. Right, all you've got to do, send me an email with your address and I'll get that posted off. That's it there, little inch micrometer, clock micrometer, brand spanking new. This week's draw is going to be for something that I bought at a car boot sale quite a while ago. I've got 2 or 3 of these. It's a little hand vise, handmade, nice little item. Quite a nice little tool. It's obviously very old. The guy that made that certainly wouldn't be here anymore. Handy for holding small parts when you're grinding them or welding them or whatever you want. Anyway, certainly well worth having. As usual, if you want a chance of winning that, all you've got to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and all I need is your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes in the bucket. If it's drawn out, I'll post it off to you completely free anywhere in the world. As I keep saying, it's just a little way of saying thanks very much for all the help and support I've had with this YouTube channel. These are the names that have come in this week. I think there's about 50 names came in. Quite a time consuming job. Deb normally does this, but she's at work. Anyway, I'm sure you get the style, and then each one is folded up like that, and you go into the bucket, and away it goes. And this is done every week basically. Or sometimes let it go a fortnight before I put them in, but obviously I've got all the emails and names stored on my computer as well. I've been asked by one of my viewers if I'll make them a 40 tooth change wheel, the same as that for his Harrison lathe. I've actually made one before. That's the one I made. I did a video on it. I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to video this one as well. The difference being I've got better camera gear, I'm set up better, so I'll be able to get some better shots. I've got a bit of steel here, we'll make the gear out of. I've got no idea what it is, other than it's shiny. It was probably free. So what I'll do with this, I'll machine it down to the correct thickness, and I'll bore the hole through the centre, put a kiwi in, and that's a little jig I made when I did the last one. We'll mount it on there, machine it down up between centres, and then go about setting the milling machine up with a dividing head to cut the gear teeth. As I say, I've already done this once before, but I can make a better job of filming it. We'll see what we can get a nice little gear cut for them. I've got it set up in a self-centering 4-jaw just to get it the face level, and we'll turn it around, do the other side, get it down to the right thickness. No idea what sort of material this is. horrible it is. I don't think I'll be using this bit of bar. Try a different cutter, but it's not very, very pleasant at all, that. That's absolutely horrible, that. Yeah, I'm not playing with that. I found a bit of bar here that's a lot more user friendly. I'll just face one in and then part a piece off it. We'll be able to get the gear out of that. I'm going to put a centre support in here so I can part it off just to give it a little bit more support, because it's not really held up securely in that chuck. Obviously I can't leave the centre in all the time, but I can leave it in till I get most of the way through it. Right, I'm going to part this off with a power feed, but I will have one hand on the clutch lever all the time. A little bit of putting oil onto there. Right, here we go. I'm going to get a brush so I can keep the oil on there all the time. It's putting a lot of smoke out, but it's not actually hot, it's just the sort of oil it is. Smoky oil. I've got an oil pot somewhere, a non-spill oil pot. I've got no idea where the bastard thing is called. Right. Right, once again we will go up. Start to make any underwater noises like it is there. Going to knock it up one gear. Slow that feed rate down a little bit. Find these tips either the last for ages, or you break one on your first go with it. to make some unpleasant noises there when you're going to be careful. Right, basically that's it. Bollocks, that's what I didn't want to happen. So that's not perfect, but it's not bad. I would have cut the bastard up with a hacksaw. Yeah, happy with that. Not a bad finish for a cheap Chinese insert. Just going to knock that edge off. You don't leave sharp edges on because you can cut your finger ends quite badly. Then we turn that round now, machine's out the thickness, drill it, bore it, mount it between centres, get it a diameter, and then we're ready to start cutting teeth. Right, we've got one face machine flat. Now we'll turn it over, the machine is down to the correct thickness. Yeah, sure, it's nicely booming the chuck. A very pleasant swath coming off there. Tip's chipped, that's why I turn the tip round and then half a mil to come off there, and then it's the right thickness. That's cutting quite nicely. The chips are breaking now. No horrible nasty stringy bastards. Lovely finish. Nice when you get swath coming off each side of the drill, the same size. The bore size we're looking for is 22mm. When I made my gear, I actually bored that to 22mm, but now I've got a 22mm reamer. At the minute that hole's out to 21mm, so I need like a half-mil cut taken out of it just to give enough metal left for the reamer to go through. Obviously I could bore this to size, but having the 21mm reamer is going to make the job easy. So that hole now should be 21.5. And try the reamer in at that. Reamers run nice and slow, and they're like loads and loads of lubricant. I'm not sure how good this reamer is, I've got it in it. I'm going to stuff I bought. Taking half a mil out, put a quarter of a mil on the other side, so that should be nice finish in there anyway. And that's the mandrel, so it's spot on. So that's saved boring that out using that reamer. When you're finished with the reamer, just give it a wipe, a little bit of light oil on it and put it back in its little drawer where it lives, and it'll last forever. I'm actually going to protect the sleeve that this goes into to stop it banging around and getting crashed about. See, it is second hand, it is marked, but it's certainly still well capable of doing the job.